I've got an onboard compass. Think she's a bloody painter and decorator now, or what? It's all right. Nice cup of chow.
The thing is...
Sacking a fence, that was.
You know
Right, we're in Cheltenham town centre, right in the middle of the town. Sarah's just gone in to order a breakfast from this farmhouse shop, which we have been to before, but I can't remember what we rated it. Was it on video?
No.
I don't think it was on video, was
No,
it?
before we started
Yeah.
being YouTubers.
Yeah. Sad. Sad. In the middle of the town, trying this breakfast out. When it comes out, we'll do the usual stuff, film it and rate it. So I can't wait, I'm starving. Thank you.
You too,
This one for a farm shop, I'm a bit surprised that it's got PG tips. I thought it would have been a more, you know, Earl Grey sort of thing, but see what happens.
Sooner or later it was going to happen because you're so messy.
There you go. So I can't really rate this, it's PG tips. I mean, everyone drinks this, don't they?
No, you have tofu.
I like tofu, yeah. It's all right, nice cup of chow. So let's get this breakfast out. Starving. Look at this. Sarah's only gone and ordered me a mega breakfast. There's bloody 3 eggs and everything on there. 3 eggs, 3 hash browns, 3 sausages, 3 bacon. You set me up.
You said you were hungry.
I was hungry. How many toast we got? I'll have one of them. Oh well, £13, but get a nice runny egg, look. No messing about there, look at that. How'd you rate that then, sir?
Not very well because I spilt it on my trousers. It doesn't help that the table's slanted. Oi! It doesn't help that the table's slanted, so my knife just decided to take a
Tumble. Ruins your jeans.
Ruin my jeans.
Breakfast. Definite 9. 9 out, solid 9. Do you reckon?
8.5.
8.5. Beautiful. Can't fault it. 13 quid for mine. 3 of everything. I'm full.
You won't eat now for the rest of the day, will you?
Cup of tea was a bit small there. Could have done with another one.
A mug.
Could have done with a pot.
Pot of tea.
Yeah.
Cheltenham, also known as Cheltenham Spa and sometimes called the Garden Town of England, is a spa town on the edge of the Cotswolds in the country of Gloucestershire. The Beechwood shopping centre in the town was demolished in 2017 to make way for a £30 million, 115 square foot John Lewis store.
One thing I haven't seen in a long time is Toys R Us.
That's a bit of a small Toys R Us.
It's a bit of a downgrade, isn't it? Remember Toys R Us? They used to be massive stores, didn't they?
You could be in there for hours. You've been out in there in 5 minutes.
And they're sharing it with WH Smith and the post office. Oh, we've got to go to the post office. Oh my God, don't tell her. What's over there?
Next time, fucking act.
I'll try and sidetrack her and take her into Toys R Us.
I've got somewhere even better, Greg.
What?
I'll look over there, mate.
Oh no, she's seen it. Just been into the post office. Just posted off some brummy bugs.
Brummy bugs, yeah. 2 Van Docks, and we've got one going. Oh, that man tripped up the curb.
Oh dear.
Oh dear, in there. And then there's one going to Sarah and Steve.
So Sarah and Steve and Van Docks, yours apparently, they've said it'll be with you Monday.
Cheltenham became known as a health and holiday spa town resort following the discovery of mineral springs in 1716 and claims to be the most complete regency town in Britain.
You right there?
Oh yeah, and the slur.
Where are we going?
We're going to the Wilson Art Gallery and Museum.
Okay.
Right, we've just come into this Wilkinson's. Apparently it's half price sale. Yeah, Greg, you like these?
I love a Sharpie. I'm at £15 now. Bloody hell. 30 quid, don't have 30 quid in the first place. That's over £1 each, 30 markers, £30 scam. I think they put it on, I think they put £15 on to take it off. It's a black sale, isn't it? Look at that, how much do you pay for that normally?
£4.
So they're not a penny off.
Well, no, £4.75 in here normally.
Oh, well, yeah, they've put that on. Come on.
Do you want a light?
What are you having a face?
Press. What else can we find up here?
Duck bowl.
Yeah. Wellies.
Duck bowl.
Ted's sliding all over the floor.
You know Scooby-Doo when he runs up the spot?
There's a dog at the window,
runs up
that's
the spot.
why. Right, let's get out of here. Cheltenham Art and Gallery Museum, also called the Wilson, hosts a programme of art exhibitions running throughout the year. The Wilson was named after a polar explorer, Edward Wilson, who was born in Cheltenham. What's the matter, Greg?
Uber Eats. What else you got in the back of there?
Basket.
There's gaffer tape to basket right down here.
Do you know where we're going?
Yeah, quickly.
Ah!
Ted's just dropped another large one. That was a bloody
Yeah, but the thing is,
sacking offence, that was.
Do you know what makes me laugh? Is you pick it up with the bag, put it in the bin, and then you smell your hand.
Yeah, just in case you got any on your hand. You don't know how them bags, are them bags foolproof or what? I mean,
Yeah, but
they could leak.
right, you were on the other side of the road, like about 400 yards away from it. People around you, and you're there smelling your hand after you put shit in the
I
bin.
think you're right, weirdo. Just put his hand in the bin, isn't he?
But the things I have to put up with you.
Right, now we're trying to find a shopping centre now with trespass in it, not trespass. Decathlon.
That's where we
No.
got our tent from.
Now,
It's a great place.
I think we're going the right way. I feel like I've got an onboard compass, so I feel like we are travelling in the right direction.
Well, bearing in mind we've got 45 minutes left on the car parking,
Yeah.
I hope you don't get us lost,
No.
because I'm not paying the fine.
Well, I'll get one chance at this. If it don't work, then we're going, because we've got to get back to the car park, like you say.
This is a sculpture of Neptune, the ancient Roman god of sea and water, holding a trident surrounded by seahorses and tritons. It was designed in 1892 by Joseph Hall, the town borough's engineer, and its design was influenced by Trevi Fountain in Rome.
Right, so Sarah's just pointed out that this is a low emulsion zone. So she says all the buses, it says it on all the buses, look, it's a low emulsion zone. I mean, does she think she's a bloody painter and decorator now, or what? Huh?
At least it's not glass.
Yeah, at least you can get it off.
Yeah. To the glory of God and honoured memory of the men and women of Cheltenham who gave their lives in the cause of freedom, 1939 to 1945.
It's conker season. Get them in vinegar, put them in the oven, string them up,
Put them in the freezer.
put them in the freezer, whatever tricks you can get. Put it down in the comments.
Nail varnish, remember?
Yeah, you name it. Get it in
It's
the...
actually nail varnish, but clear nail varnish, isn't it?
I don't know, there was loads. Get it in the comments, what works best. I think Sarah's reminiscing here. Shall I ring him now or what?
Who?
The ambulance.
Probably.
Is it as easy as you remember?
No, I think I prefer the rollerblades.
Yeah.
It's not as easy as I remember now. I'm like Bambi on ice. Get me down. Ooh. Do you want to have a go?
Nah, I'll leave it. I used to have a pair of Bowers. Here's another one for the comments. Anyone remember Bowers? They had double stoppers as well, front and back. They had blocks on the back. Then they had the wedges on the front.
Cheltenham is a regional shopping centre home to department stores, the oldest being Cavendish House.
There you have it, that's Cheltenham. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget.
To like, comment, share and subscribe.
And
And if you're a new sub, Just pop it in the comments, new sub, and we'll give you a shout out on the next one.
Yeah. Was there? Oh, there's one other thing. Quick giveaway. If anyone wants them, I've got to drive up here.
If anyone wants these 2 tickets for the Bosworth Castle, was it? Battleground?
Bosworth Battleground. Now, you only pay once, and you can go as many times as you want for 12 months, I believe.
You can use them for the whole year, yeah.
I'm not sure whether the tickets are transferable or not.
Please
But
return this ticket from your free return visits over the next 12 months. So, yeah, you can visit again anytime.
are they transferable though to somebody else?
Well, we didn't give our name or anything, it's just a ticket.
Okay, well there you go.
So if anyone wants to go and visit, let us know in the comments and we'll send them out to you.
Yeah, that's the best thing. And it's,
First come, first serve.
there's not a lot there. It's a nice walk. It's like a couple of mile walk all the way around, mile and a half walk. Walk your dog. Dogs aren't allowed in the exhibition, but you can have a walk around there and have a little look as well. It's all right if you're interested in that sort of thing, isn't it? And there you go. It's just like a morning thing, really. Just a couple of 3 hours, and you'll be back home.
If you haven't watched the video already when we went there, go back.
Yeah, you'll see. I
And
can't
you'll
remember what
see.
we called it. Can you?
I can't think off the top of my head, but yeah, it's there somewhere. So just keep watching,
Yeah.
and you'll find it.
Right then. We'll see you on the next one.